In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make $100 per day using the Hostinger affiliate program. If you have been searching for a simple and reliable way to earn money online, this method is one of the easiest places to start. Hostinger is a well-known hosting provider, and their affiliate program gives you the chance to earn commissions every time someone signs up through your link. Let me walk you through the entire process step by step so you can begin earning as soon as possible. First, open your browser and head over to the Hostinger website by typing Hostinger into your search bar. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to look around. Hostinger is popular because it offers fast hosting at a very affordable price, which makes it easy to recommend to beginners, small businesses, and anyone wanting to build a website. This demand is what makes the affiliate program work so well. Now scroll down to the bottom of the site and look for the affiliate program link, usually placed in the footer area. Click on it, and you will be taken to a page that explains what the program offers. Here you can see the commission rates, the overall earning potential, and a breakdown of how the tracking system works. This information helps you understand exactly how you get paid every time someone buys hosting through your link. Once you have read the details, go ahead and click the Join Now button. You will be asked to provide basic information such as your name, email, and possibly details about your website or platform. Even if you do not have a website yet, you can still apply and promote the link through social media or YouTube. After submitting your information, your account will be created and you will get access to the affiliate dashboard. Inside the dashboard, you will receive your unique affiliate link. This link is the most important tool for earning money. Every time someone clicks it and purchases a plan, you get a commission. Your goal is to place this link where your audience will see it. You can add it to your YouTube video descriptions, blog posts, Facebook page, TikTok content, or anywhere you normally share tech tutorials or recommendations. To reach $100 per day, you need consistent traffic. Focus on creating helpful content that naturally points people to Hostinger. Examples include how to build a website, how to install WordPress, or how to set up hosting. When viewers find your content valuable, they are more likely to trust your recommendation and sign up using your link. With steady promotion and smart placement of your link, your clicks and commissions will grow over time. The more traffic you drive, the faster you will reach your daily earning goal. Stay consistent, track your results, and adjust your strategy when needed. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out my other tutorials where I teach simple ways to build websites, grow online income, and master beginner-friendly tools. I will see you in the next video.